we need to find the area of the region enclosed between two curves y equal to 3 sines of x and y equal to 2 times cosine of x. From x between 0 and 0.7 pi, so almost 3 pi over 4. Here's a graph we have. We need to compute the area where x from 0 to 0.7 pi. 0.7 pi is, it gives us this vertical line. So we need to compute the area of this region. So between the two curves and where x from 0 to 0.7 pi. So it made up two separate regions, this one and this one. We will compute the area of the region 1 plus the area of the region 2. 1 and 2. So our job is determine the coordinates of this intersection point. So what is this point? So assume that we know this one is a x1, y1. Then the area of the whole region is the area of the region 1, let's call it R1, plus the area of region 2. The area of the region 1 is the interval from x between 0 and from 0 to x1, and region 2 is from x1 to 0.7 pi. So the first one would be the integral from 0 to x1, the blue curve, which is above, minus the red curve below, dx, plus the area of region 2. So the red curve now is above, minus the blue curve below, dx, where x from x1 to 0.7 pi. So the only thing we need to do now is compute this coordinate. This is the intersection of the red and the blue curve, which means that the coordinates need to satisfy the equation, these two equations. The intersection of the two curves. This gives us 3 times sine of x is 2 times cosine of x. This means sine of x divided by cosine of x is 2 divided by 3. Sine of x divided by cosine is a tangent of x. 2 divided by 3. So x is arc tangent 2 divided by 3. This is x and y equal to 2 times cosine of x, 2 times cosine of arc tangent 2 divided by 3. So we have the coordinates x1, y1. So x1, y1 is given as arc tangent 2 divided by 3 and this. Now all we need to do is plug in this formula. So the area of the whole region we need to compute is the one from 0 to x1, which is this one. The blue minus the red. 2 cosine of x minus 3 sine of x. 2 cosine of x minus 3 sine of x dx. That is the first one. The second one is plus from x1, which is arctangent 2 divided by 3, the red minus the blue. The red curve is 3 sine of x minus 2 cosine of x dx. Some computation, this should be about 4.3562